A group of gay people asked me for directions, so I told them to go straight.
Didn't you see the red light?
Yes, I saw it.
Then why didn't you stop?
Because I didn't see you.
Sir, we've got good news and bad news.
Okay.
We found your ex dead this morning.
Okay, what's the bad news?
Evening. Wow, you look like you're on another planet right now. Been snacking on mushrooms, big guy?
Color's wavy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, let's go ahead and step out of the car for me. Hey, dispatch, I got a silver Lambo fleeing.
You're looking live at I-75 where, yes, that's Bigfoot sprinting down the interstate.
He is barefoot, chain swinging, and you can see that bag in his hand. Troopers say it's full of dried mushrooms.
My wife's been missing for a week.
Oh my God.
Police told me to expect the worst, so I'm kind of afraid she might come back.
Banger. Hit me.
You stole my car only for a couple of hours. If I had asked, would you have said yes? No. There you go.
That is why Blanche ran out of gas. You'd been driving her car, hadn't you?
You know how embarrassing it is to drive a car with a bumper sticker that says, so many men, so little time?
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it.
Oh, stupid!
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Don't even go
It's opened. Come on, King.
Somebody's fucked. Oh. Yep.
Hey! Turn around, you stupid bastard! Tiki!
My goodness.
That's like... Stop! Stop right now! Quit! Don't Don't you dare poop in that car. It's coming. Jeff, pull over right now.
I can't make that noise with my mouth.
Working out with the stretch band. Oh. Oh.
Open the stars and alert you, Mike.
I will never abandon you. Amen.
Evening. You know why I pulled you over? License and registration, please.
Hey, I paid for all you can eat. I'm still eating.
Sir, you've been here 4 hours. Management asked us to end your service.
Let's just head to the door, please.
This is ridiculous. It's a buffet.
We appreciate your business, but we need...
You see the center of your screen topped out at about 45 miles an hour, being driven by a woman the Highway Patrol describes as extremely heavy set and wearing nothing but a pink bathing suit. 2 CHP units are right...
It's my wife's birthday. I need something that will take her breath away today.
Sir, it's your lucky day. This right here will have her out of breath in seconds.
They call me Two-Ton Tina, and I'm about to show you why. And I'm about to show you why. Cannonball. My ex-husband just bought his side chick a new car. I hope that bitch has insurance. It's okay, honey. We'll come back tomorrow.
Fuck that. I need me a #2 meal now. Are you mad?
No.
Are you grumpy?
No.
Are you sad?
No.
Are you angry?
No.
What are you?
I don't know. Oh my God. Let caramel ba? This is what this is just going to hold the doors. I know. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, best father. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy, best father. You never know that I'm not on you. But I love you.
Ha 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 ha!